Hello, welcome to Hyper Bikes. My name is Dylan. Congratulations on your new bike day. I'm here to give you some tips and tricks on how to assemble your bike and get riding. Today we're going to build the Hyper E-Ride City. First, we're going to remove all the packaging material. First, we're going to install the handlebars. Press the wedge nut into the steer tube of the bicycle. Make sure to cover up the minimum insertion notches all the way into the frame until you can't see them. Then take your 6mm Allen key and tighten the wedge bolt inside the frame until it is secure. Take your seat post and install it into the seat tube of your bicycle. Make sure to fully insert the seat post until you can't see the minimum insertion mark on the seat post, until it is fully into the frame. Take your front wheel and with the drive direction pointing forward while at the top of the wheel, we're going to install it into your fork. Grab both brake caliper arms and press them together and remove the catch from the cable and allow them to release to the side. Pick up the fork of the bicycle and with the nuts on the axle loosened and all the way to the outside, we're going to slot the fork tabs onto the axle. Then we're going to move the safety tabs on the outside of the fork and rotate them to the catch on the fork arm, and then hand tighten the nuts. We're going to do this on both sides. After you've hand tightened them, take your 15mm wrench and tighten them until the wheel is fully secure onto the fork. Do this on both sides. To reattach the front brake after the wheel is installed, grab both brake arms and bring them together. Put the catch of the right brake arm into the cable slot of the left brake arm. Let them fully set into each other. Take your right pedal and install it into the right crank arm. Take note, the right pedal is normal threaded. You will turn it to the right to install it. Install it first with your hands and then finish installing it with your wrench until it is secure. Take your left pedal and install it into the left crank arm. Take note, the left pedal is reverse thread and you will turn it to the left. Start with your hands first and then fully secure it with a wrench. To install the fender on the Hyper E-Ride City bike, pass it through the front of the fork until the tab at the axle crown is reached by the fender tab. Loosen the 10mm nut on the back and the capture washer and pass the eyelet of the fender through the bolt. Start threading it together with your hand and then use your Phillips screwdriver and your box wrench, a 10mm, to hold the nut on the back still. Come down to the tabs at the fork, loosen the bolt with the Phillips screwdriver and pass them through the tab on the fork fender mounts. Do this to both sides. Use your 5mm Allen key to adjust your brake pads to make sure that they're in line with the brake track on your rim. Do this to both sides. Once you have those evenly set, use the tension screw on each brake caliper arm to make sure that as you compress the brake, both brake arms compress and return evenly on both sides. Increase or decrease tension to even out the gap between the brake and the rim track. To adjust the derailleur, use your Phillips screwdriver to adjust the high limit screw for the smallest cogs on your derailleur and the low limit screw for the biggest cogs on your derailleur. To increase or decrease the tension on your rear derailleur cable to move up the gears or down the gears faster, use the barrel adjuster at your rear derailleur. To turn on your Hyper E-Ride City, hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then come up to the controller at the handlebars and turn them on. Once it cycles through, press the mode buttons to go from low, medium, and high. For walk assist, press the 6 kilometer button for several seconds until the rear wheel begins to drive. To charge your Hyper E-Ride City, use a supplied charger and plug it in through the exterior battery charger here, or you can use the keys to release the battery and charge the battery by itself here. The 36 volt UL listed battery has a range of 20 miles and a max speed of 20 miles per hour. You can fill out your warranty card at the back of the manual. Your serial number will be located underneath the bottom bracket of the bicycle and mail it in to the address provided. Thank you for joining us today at Hyper Bikes. If you have any questions, please give us a call at our toll-free number and we can help you out. Now go enjoy your bike.